And this one of the black back with the hands behind it. There again, this is during that time I was very involved in back. I could have a show just of backs alone. And the way people, our body language, what we say, what we speak of, and there again, that sculptural, and the texture, that wonderful velvety texture of his skin, and the hands. I mean, what makes hands? I mean, hands, these incredible instruments, these that from which we have the joy of touching whatever we love, and it can do all these tasks and expressions that we have. But there again, I mean, this texture of this is so incredible. It's just filled with, and then in the edges, when some of the sky comes through, it's toned, that soft, silvery tone, like this photographic quality, that silver, which I love so much. And I always do have a tendency to burn in a little touch on the edge because I don't like the print to bleed off into nothing.
There's a firmness to that.
Yes, yeah.